once again, if you enjoy writing, if you enjoy graphic design, if you enjoy data analysis or photo or image editing, affiliate marketing is a really great business that you should look into and give yourself a shot at starting your own business and making real money, because jobs and wages and salaries, they're going away, folks. The world's moving away from that. That's not where the opportunity is. Everybody already knows that. You already know that if you're here. So if you want to check out the Super Affiliate System, there will be a link down in the description or in one of the pinned comments that will give you access to a free training session which will teach you more about what it is I do as an affiliate marketer, how I've been able to earn tens of millions of dollars, and how my students have also been able to earn tens of millions of dollars from doing affiliate marketing and completely change their lives. So check it out. The link is in the description. It's johncristani.com/GOAT, and you can check out more information.